I recently made one of the most significant decisions in my photography journey. I decided to invest in the Hasselblad X2D II. To put it into perspective, this camera cost about the same as a luxury Chanel bag I had long admired. But when I thought about it, the choice felt obvious. The two things that bring me the most joy are scuba diving and photography. And photography is not just a hobby, it's my livelihood and the way I provide for my family. Choosing the X2D II over a designer bag wasn't about status. It was about investing in a tool that would elevate my craft and help me capture moments in the most beautiful way possible. The journey to acquiring this camera began with a conversation I had with friends Bobby Tonelli and Robbie about the grand opening of the first Hasselblad store in Southeast Asia, located in Singapore. Rumors suggested that the event might also unveil the highly anticipated X2D II. Naturally, I felt an irresistible pull to be there. Having spent considerable time with the original X2D, I knew its limitations, especially for newborn photography. The anticipation of seeing how the new model addressed those limitations was palpable. After securing a spot on the guest list, I sold most of my previous cameras and lenses. It was a bittersweet moment, parting with equipment that had been reliable companions, but it was necessary to make space for this next step in my photographic journey. The flight to Singapore was filled with a mix of excitement and nerves. I had no guarantee that the camera would actually launch that day, nor did I know the price or if a unit would be available for purchase. Despite the uncertainty, deep down I felt a strong sense of destiny connecting me to this camera. Arriving at the event exceeded all expectations. The atmosphere was electric, from the lively line dance performances to the sleek display of the X2D II. Every detail radiated elegance. Photographers from around the region gathered to share their excitement, and there was even a special appearance by Simon Yam, adding a touch of star power to the launch. But the moment I had been waiting for finally arrived, the opportunity to hold and purchase my very own X2D II. Holding it felt surreal, like finally meeting a long-awaited companion. My first session with the camera was exhilarating. Before bringing it to a client shoot, I wanted to explore its handling and performance. The design immediately caught my attention. The graphite gray finish with a subtle matte texture exudes sophistication, and the slightly lighter body makes it feel effortless to hold for extended periods. The grip has been refined, and the textured, leather-like material balances vintage charm with modern functionality, giving it a luxurious yet practical feel. A small but surprisingly impactful design feature is the orange button. It might seem minor, but that tiny touch of color adds a distinct personality to the camera without being over the top. The camera also includes two customizable buttons, one of which is a joystick that allows fast, precise adjustments of the focus point. This is a game changer for newborn photography, where capturing fleeting moments with accuracy is crucial. Performance improvements are immediately noticeable. The autofocus is significantly faster and more reliable than the previous model. Testing it with my 65mm lens, one of Hasselblad's older lenses, showed marked improvement, though the continuous autofocus feature is not compatible with it. Switching to the newer 55mm lens, the autofocus performs flawlessly, fast and precise, which makes me eager to add that lens to my kit. The versatility of the autofocus system is remarkable. It allows different modes like spot, expanded spot, custom, or wide area focus, along with subject detection for humans, cats, dogs, and even vehicles. This flexibility is a massive advantage for portrait, pet, and newborn photographers alike. Another subtle but meaningful upgrade is the base ISO, now set at 50 instead of 64. While it seems minor, it results in cleaner image files with improved dynamic range, particularly in the highlights. The flip screen has also been reimagined. While the previous X2D tilted only about 70 degrees upward, the Mark II flips a full 90 degrees, enabling true waist-level shooting, and it tilts 42 degrees downward for top-down perspectives, perfect for my newborn sessions. This small change has transformed the way I approach compositions and angles. Viewing the images on the camera's display, I immediately noticed a difference in rendering. Colors appear balanced, highlights and shadows transition smoothly, and there are no harsh spots or overexposed areas. The level of detail is astounding. Every tiny hair, fabric texture, and even skin pores are captured with remarkable clarity. It's the kind of precision that makes you stop and appreciate the craftsmanship behind the camera and the moment itself. What makes the X2D Mark II truly special is how it captures emotion and realism. Every photograph feels alive, retaining the subtle details that make a memory authentic. For me, as someone who photographs families and newborns, these nuances, the softness of a baby's skin, delicate wisps of hair, little gestures that define fleeting moments, are invaluable. The camera ensures that these tiny details, which might otherwise go unnoticed, are preserved in stunning quality. After reviewing the results from my first session, I felt a profound sense of satisfaction. The camera is not just a tool, it's an investment in the way I tell stories and preserve memories. I can already see how it will elevate the quality of my work, helping me deliver images that are not only technically exceptional but emotionally resonant. The Hasselblad X2D Mark II represents more than just a technological upgrade. It's a milestone in my journey as a photographer. Choosing it over a luxury item wasn't about price, but purpose. This camera aligns perfectly with my mission to create meaningful, lasting images that reflect life in its most genuine form. I am excited to continue exploring its capabilities and sharing more results in the future. This camera has already inspired me to push my creativity further, and I can't wait to see where it takes my work next.